Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you SEHMUA 4G LTE surveillance camera. This is an outdoor solar-powered 2K HD PTZ wireless camera without Wi-Fi. This is a battery-operated 355 degrees to 105 degrees swivel, color night vision two-way audio surveillance camera system. You can perform with this camera a nice, without wired connection device, which works about over the 4G LTE, because there's a SIM card included with a 7-day unlimited data test time. Further, we use the supercharger charging and has a 6-watt solar panel. A full installation freedom even without an internet. It is for a farm, construction sites, or remote holiday homes. The 7,800 mAh battery ensures around-the-clock monitoring, even in cloudy weather. And don't miss any detail with a 2K resolution and a 355 horizontal and 100 degrees vertical swivel range. It keeps us close and our eyes on our entire property, from the package on the porch to the children's play. We control the view conveniently via the UBox app, UBox app. It supports motion detectors with a custom range and a sensitivity adjustment for viewer false alerts. We will receive real-time notifications of the activities. Videos are automatically stored on a memory card, which is not included. Or we can store it in the cloud. Via the UBox app, this mobile camera offers a high resolution of 2K with 4x digital zoom. The wide-angle lens support both horizontal and vertical rotations, this providing a wider and more flexible viewing angle. Even in the dark, we can keep an eye on our assets at all times thanks to the full color night vision. Yeah. The night vision mode itself can be set manually in the app. And we can communicate directly with visitors. We warn intruders or calm our path through the build in a microphone and a speaker. With the protection class IP66, this surveillance camera is designed to withstand rain, snow, and scourging sun, and works reliably all the year around the clock. SEHMUA is dedicated to the research of products for home security, hunting, and tracking. Currently, the company has developed indoor and outdoor cameras with Wi-Fi connection and mobile phone cameras with 4G LTE connection like here. We use a choose an intelligent product that meets our signal and power needs. In the future, they will offer more types of that, because the SEHMUA Smart and Safe Home meets all our personal home surveillance requirements, of course. No Wi-Fi is required. That means 100% wireless, with a pre-installed SIM card, with a cloud storage and 2K resolution, and of course solar charging, 4G PIR detection, IP66 waterproof, 4x digital zoom. All that is possible with that really nice 355 swivel and 100 tiltable camera system. Wow, that's a nice system. That is the SEHMUA 4G LTE surveillance camera for outdoor use. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!